Good day all. It's TurboDave here at Performance Corner. And we have a pressure washer basically that uses sand. So the sand sucks in here and it sucks through this whole tube until it comes out here. Water pushes from here. You hook this up to your pressure washer, pushes the water out through here, and it creates a vacuum and it sucks the sand in. So you put the sand in like in a container, or you can suck it right out of the bag. I sucked it right out of the bag, and it comes out of this tip right here. If you remember last week, we were cleaning our diff for our all-wheel drive CRX, and this is what we used. We cap off anywhere we don't want sand to get into, which is funny because sand gets everywhere with this. It works great. I really need to build a cabinet and do it that way, but I was trying to get this to just do it quick and dirty, and it's quite dirty, but it works really well. It even cleans your sidewalk without the sand somehow. Just it mixing together and the sand going down the sidewalk by itself cleans the sidewalk. But anyways, this thing is our tool of the week. It works pretty good if you don't mind getting dirty. Make a little blockade for it, make a little place for it to a box or something. It was in my hair. It's everywhere in like a 8-foot radius, sort of. Maybe 5 to 6 foot radius, but still, it got everywhere. Anyways, this is it. Like I said, just sucks sand in through here and pushes it out. Tool of the week. It's Turbo Dave here at Performance Corner. Thank you for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.